Hello everyone, my name is Griselda Ayu Ratnadewati, or you can call me Grisel. I'm from Telkom University, Bandung. Today, I would like to give a presentation about financial accounting, and I will get more specific to discuss about income statement. First of all, let me say some greetings to Akademi Akuntansi YKPN Yogyakarta. Thanks to Akademi Akuntansi YKPN Yogyakarta, the leading in vocational accounting education, for facilitating the competition of accounting presentation in English. And congratulations to your 48th anniversary. Okay, let's get started. This presentation is divided into 4 outline points. First, I want to explain about the definition of financial accounting and income statement. Second is about the purpose of income statement. Third is about the element of income statement. And fourth is about the format of income statement. Okay everyone, before we discuss further about income statement, it's better to know about financial accounting first. What is financial accounting? Financial accounting is the process of preparing financial statements that companies use to show their financial performance and position to people outside the company, including investors, creditors, suppliers, and customers. In financial accounting, there is financial statement. Based on the order of making financial statement, there are 5 types of financial statement. Those are income statement, statement of changes in equity, balance sheet statement, cash flow statement, and notes of financial statement. In this presentation, we will only discuss about income statement. According to Van Hoort and Wakowicz, income statement is the summary of revenues and costs of the company during current period. Income statement is the important part of the company. Why? Because from income statement, the company will find out its profit or its loss on the period. Besides that, income statement is literally the first step of making financial statement. So, other financial statement cannot be complete without making income statement first. Now, why should a company make income statement, and what is the purpose of income statement? Income statement provides a lot of information for the company. The purpose of income statement is, first, to inform total amount of tax that company must pay. Second is, of course, to give information for the company about profit or loss on each period. After the company finds out about its profit or its loss, the company will know what decision should be created for the next period. And that is the third purpose of income statement, is to help the company in order to make decisions or business planning for the next period. Income statement has some element on it that must access. The first element of income statement is revenues. Revenues is amount of money that a company receives during current period. Revenues is the result from some business activities that happens in the company, such as sales of goods and service to customers. The second element is expenses. Expenses is the outflow of money or assets from the company to another individuals or another company as a payment for an item or service. Some business activities that create expenses, for example, are payroll payment, shipment, or production activity. The third element of income statement is profit. Profit is the income that's distributed to the owner of the company in profitable market production process. Profit is the result of subtraction between revenues and expenses, where revenues is greater than expenses. The last element of income statement is loss. Loss is the decrease of net income that is outside the normal operational of business. Loss is the result of subtraction between revenues and expenses, where expenses is greater than revenues. Now, we know some element that is used on income statement. The next step is to make income statement itself. Are you excited? But wait a minute. Don't be hurry. Why? Because before you make income statement, I should explain one thing to you. And that is the format of income statement. There are two formats of income statement. The first one named single-step format. In single-step format, all of the revenues are placed on the top part of the income statement, while all of the expenses are placed below it. All of the revenues will be summed then create total revenue, while all of the expenses will be summed to then create total expenses. After that, total revenue will be deducted by total expenses, then create net profit or net loss. Depends on which one is greater, the revenues or the expenses. The second format of income statement named multiple step format. In multiple step format, revenue is divided into two types. Those are operating revenue and other revenue. Operating revenue is all of the revenues that is the result from operational business transactions, while other revenue is all of the revenues as the result from activity outside the central of business. Expenses is also divided into operating expenses and other expenses. Operating expenses, same as operating revenue, is all of the expenses that is the result from operational business activity, while other expenses is all of the expenses that is the result from activity outside the central of business. Primary revenue and primary expenses are placed on the top part of income statement and will be deducted, then create income from operation, while other revenue and other expenses are placed below it and will be deducted too. Income from operation will be deducted by the result of subtraction between other revenue and other expense, and the final result is net profit or net loss, same as the single step format. If you're going to make income statement, you don't have to use both of the format. You can pick one. Which one is better? It depends on your company needs. This is the end of my presentation. After you watch my presentation, I hope you will gain benefit from it. Before I end my presentation, I would like to say thank you to Akademi Akuntansi YKPN Yogyakarta, our reliable partner in vocational accounting education. Thank you for your attention and see you!